Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to customize status bar on your Vivo T4 Pro, T4 Ultra, T4R and any Vivo T4 series or the latest Funtouch OS 15 version. By default, you can see the status bar set as a notification on your device. You can customize this status bar by open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down until you can see the notification and status bar option at the middle. Tap on it. Here you can find the status bar option. Tap on it. Now you can see the list of options to customize the status bar on your Vivo T4 series. First one is the notification method. Here you can see how you will see the notification in the status bar. By default, you can see set the application icons. If you select the number, you can select the number and you can see the notification in the status bar when you receive any notification. Or you can select the non option. So if you want to hide the app notification icon or a number on your device. So you can easily customize the status bar notification icons or a number you want to show. Second one is the show silent notification icon. By default, enable this option. If you don't want to use it, just toggle a bit to hide the notification icon. Just show real-time network speed. If you want to see the internet speed, can you use your mobile data on your device? Google on this option to show real-time network speed, and you can see the internet speed in the status bar. Here you can see the 0.12 kilobytes per second. So you can toggle on it, toggle off it, or toggle on it to show the internet speed or real-time network speed on your Vivo status bar. The last one is the customize the battery style. Here you can see the battery style set as vertical. If you want to change the battery icon style or show or hide the battery percentage, last option battery style and percentage. At the top you can see the battery style. Here you can set the vertical, you can select the horizontal. Now you can see change in the status bar or select the circle option. So you can see three different battery icon style: vertical, by default set, horizontal or circle. Select the battery style you want. We use the horizontal. Also at the bottom end you get the battery percentage. Display outside the battery, display inside the battery. Here you can see battery percentage in the battery icon inside or outside battery percentage, or do not display to hide the battery percentage in the status bar on your Vivo T4 series. So this is the all status bar customization settings on your latest Vivo T4 series. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.